What is the process to unlock a Verizon SIM card?
Hello and welcome to our guide on unlocking your Verizon SIM card. Whether you've decided to switch carriers or are traveling abroad, unlocking your SIM card gives you the freedom to use your device as you wish. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to successfully unlock your Verizon SIM card. Please note that the validity of these steps can vary based on the rules and regulations Verizon may have in place at the time you attempt this process.
Does Verizon lock SIM cards?
Firstly, it's important to know that Verizon, as a policy, does not lock most of their phones, including those that are postpaid and have been purchased after July 2019. Only certain devices, like their prepaid phones, are locked for a specific amount of time. Therefore, if your device was bought after this period and is not prepaid, the SIM card should already be unlocked.
What if my Verizon SIM card is locked?
In the case that you have a locked device, perhaps a prepaid one or an older model, you will need to unlock it. For prepaid phones, Verizon will automatically unlock the device after 60 days from the initial activation. If your device is older or locked for another reason, you can unlock it by contacting Verizon's customer service. They are the only ones who can unlock your SIM card. Before you reach out, make sure to gather some necessary information. 1. The account holder's name and account number. 2. The account holder's social security number or password. 3. A completed deployment verification form, if you're in the military. 4. The device's IMEI number. To find the IMEI number, you can usually go to Settings, About Phone or dial *#06# on the phone.
How do I contact Verizon?
You can reach Verizon customer service via phone call or live chat on their website. Tell them you'd like to unlock your device, provide the necessary information, and they will assist you through the process. Always remember to follow their instructions precisely. And there you have it. That's the process of unlocking a Verizon SIM card. Remember, the key to this process is communication with Verizon's customer service, so don't hesitate to reach out to them if you need assistance. We hope this video has been helpful to you and wish you the best in your device unlocking endeavors. Thanks for watching.